Port Maria and Geddes United both recorded victories as the St. Mary T20 Cricket Competition bowled off on Sunday at Jacks River. Port Maria started their quest with a 4-wicket win over Islington, who batted first and were bowled out for 114. Only 3 players got to double figures for Islington, with Roland Brooks leading the way with 23 against O'Neil Preston 4 for 17. In reply, Port Maria got to their target with 6 overs to spare. Sekue Dixon was the leading batter for Port Maria with 25. Nathaniel Williams picked up 3 for 37.
We played short, we played with just 10 men today. We hope that the next game we will have our full complement. Some other players should be coming into the team, so we look to strengthen the team in order to win. We plan to go all the way in the competition, and Port Maria is a veteran team. We plan to win, we play hard, but at the end of the game we enjoy ourselves.
In the days of the game, Nathaniel Williams recorded the first century of the season in making 129. As Geddes scored a 74-run win over Barnegate. Williams' century included 11 fours and 11 sixes, and he shared in a 51-run 5th-wicket stand with Giovanni Richardson, who made 21, as Geddes racked up 205 for 7. Jason Golson took 3 for 23. Barnegate, in reply, were restricted to 131 for 7. Maurice Harrow made 22 against Darian Walker, who bagged 3 for 17. President of the St. Mary Cricket Association, Christopher Faulkner, says a lot is on offer for players this year.
We have a lot of prizes and surprises, and one of the biggest prizes are our attraction to this competition. A bowler, any bowler in any innings taking 4 wickets will receive $10,000 cash prize right on spot from our sponsors. And we don't leave out the batsmen. Any batter who can achieve 6 sixes in his innings will also receive a prize of $10,000. This is a first for St. Mary, and to our sponsors we are grateful.
According to Faulkner, the competition is filling a void for the youths who are unoccupied at the moment.
We want to organize the youths together to ensure that we get them off the streets, focusing on playing some cricket, right? So, you know, when there are distractions, things will happen. As a police officer, Deputy Superintendent Christopher Faulkner sent a division, and I believe in community development. So, partnering with our sponsors will enable us, and also the parish that I live in, St. Mary, to use this opportunity to get the youths off the street.